सो एक सांगता हांव तुमकां हांव ती केस नॉट एक्झॅक्टली इन डिटेल म्हणून हांव जाणा ती केसीची कित्याक पयले फावटी आमी ODP फायनलायज केलो तेन्ना ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ डॉक्टर क्लाउड आल्वारीस हांवें चॅलेंज केलें. आय वॉज द लॉयर एंड देन द गव्हर्मेंट मेड अ स्टेटमेंट दॅट दे विथड्रॉईंग दॅट एंड दे विथड्रू दी ODPs. आतां कितें जालां ती विथड्रॉ कोत्री they came out with an order to say that notwithstanding that ODP गेली that all development plans will still be in accordance with the ODP. फायदो कितें एक पाटी ODP गेलो if there is a regional plan it falls on the regional plan. So you can't start by executive order telling that it should be this thing what you call fall back on ODP classifications made or zonings made and allow development permission. So clearly that was wrong, and the High Court has exactly held that once the ODP has been withdrawn, there is no question of directing permissions by executive order that permission should be based on the basis of an ODP, and therefore it had struck down that circular and also has directed that these permissions will stand quashed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.